I'm up early to stuff more sheep into my attic. I should probably eat some breakfast first. Well, it looks like at least the kids ran the dishwasher last night. Oh, okay. Well, I got a whole bunch of dirty dishes and an air code. Water tap E24 on a Bosch. I guess that's one more thing to fix before I eat breakfast. So after a quick trip to Google to type in my make and model and the air code, I came across a YouTube video talking about some of the things that could cause the E24. Could be the water line, could be the drain line, could be the vent for the drain. I'm going to start with the vent because that's the least amount of work. So, finding the vent here and pulling it off, we have a couple of little pieces of plastic here that hold the top on. Pushing those in, should be able to pop this off and take a look inside. Well, I'm gonna go get a screwdriver. Okay, so now that I got some tools, I'll try and push that in. Pop this off. Now, looking at the top of there, that ain't right. Somewhere someone decided that chunks of food and hair and plastic don't need to be cleaned off of plates. So probably the biggest lesson learned is always scrape your plates. Here's some more plastic. Now, word to the wise. If right now I were to turn on the dishwasher, this water would squirt all the way up and hit the bottom of the cabinet. So whatever you're doing, don't leave the cap, the vent cap off while you're doing this. So, you know, I got quite a bit of gunk out. That would explain why it was misbehaving. I'm gonna rinse off the rest of this cap as long as I have it apart. Whenever you're fixing something, clean it up as you go, because you don't know the next time you're gonna want to take it apart. And old food stinks. So, putting this back on, it's important to make sure that this part of the cap faces forward. The water is gonna shoot up, shoot forward, and come back down. Just have to pinch. So there's two tabs on either side that hold it in. Just have to put it in place, pinch the tabs, and get it to go all the way back in. Unless it goes back in the other, well, maybe it goes back in the other way. There. So once it's in, it's safe to turn the dishwasher back on, and we'll see if that clears the air code. So this may take a couple of hours for the dishwasher to cycle. So make sure that I fix this. I'm gonna run a quick rinse cycle. That should only take 10 minutes. That'll be the fastest way to know that everything's working. The water will run, the water will drain, and hopefully we don't get an air code. So I'll hit rinse, I'll hit start, and I'll shut the dishwasher. And hopefully that fixed it. That water running sound's a good sound. It means that the dishwasher is actually draining. It's been 10 minutes. Let's see how it did. And we have a 0-0 clean status instead of an air code. Unfortunately, since it was a rinse, it didn't actually run a cleaning cycle, which I'll have to do now and then wait 2 hours. So if you're ever having trouble with the dishwasher, easiest thing to do is check the vent on the drain first. It's a lot less work than anything else. Thanks again, and if you'd like to see more of this content, please subscribe. If you like this sort of video, please hit the like button, and thank you for watching.